let's pick out the number.
Sir Jerry, how are you doing?
He's not fine. Alright, it's number 1. Let's see what number 1 is. It's the Haro Cathedral. Part na siya sa Iloilo City, no?
Yeah, but it's really popular, but we would like to hear how our candidate would like to promote it.
As we all know, that churches is the one who is giving stories, because stories, and it reflects our rich history. Tells us a story wherein this is a symbol of how faithful and God-fearing the Ilonggos are. And it is where the church symbolizes where we worship God. And as a marketing student, the best way to promote Haro Cathedral is by using ourselves, by using proper mass communication, by promotion, advertising, and proper dissemination of information, because I believe that the church is the true tourism in the rich history. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Miss
candidate number
Tigbauan.